Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday. Don't ask me the date because I don't know. I am back home. I came home yesterday, but yesterday was kind of a crappy day because I was so exhausted from driving and stuff, so I just didn't film. So this morning, my goodness, what's going on here? This morning I am sorting out what to do for dinner tonight. I will do that this morning. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. So last night I had Chris get pizza. Should not have done that. I feel like crap this morning. I feel really fuzzy. So I have a full bottle of ketones. Hopefully I can make this fuzziness go away. I didn't end up eating the pizza part though. I just ate the toppings, but I think like I had a couple of bites of pizza, like full pizza, and then I'm just like, oh, I just can't. So that makes me feel good that like I literally can't eat pizza anymore because it doesn't taste good to me. I don't know, like I enjoyed the toppings, but the few bites of the pizza that I actually had, I was like, this just tastes like, you know, when you underspice something or you make a recipe and you forget an ingredient, that's kind of what it was like. I don't know, that's how I could describe it. So I had my cheat meal, and now today I'm going to continue on. So I wanted to tell you guys about it because I did not film. Like I said, I did not film yesterday. I was just too tired. I was gonna film like on my way home and then film if I ate anything or whatever, but I'm just like, no, I just need to get home. This morning my back is hurting. I'm pretty sure that's because of the pizza last night. So I did some stretches and hopefully that will help. I really should not do carbs. Like, carbs make me feel like crap, obviously. So let's learn from this. So I don't think I'm going to be having pizza as my cheat meal anymore. I don't eat much else for cheat meals, so I guess we'll see. Ketones taste good. I feel like my palate has changed a little bit, which is exciting to me because we're trying new things and new experiences and things, but yeah, when I go to have something that I haven't had in a while, I think it's going to taste good, and then it doesn't, and then I'm like, well, I guess I just don't need that in my life. So anyways, I'm at the restaurant. Yay. We are going out with the trailer today and tomorrow, even though today is super cloudy. Not excited about that. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys when I decide what we're having for lunch. Hey guys, so I'm just doing OMAD today because I didn't feel like eating at all. I wasn't really hungry, wasn't really feeling the greatest. So I just built IKEA furniture and waited for Chris to come home. So I'm just having a meal now. We're just having Big Mac salad, and that's it. So I might do like a keto cream later, and if I do, I'll pop back on. But if not, then this will be it for the day. So I will see you later. Thanks so much for watching. Alright guys, so I'm just making some keto cream. I decided to have a pumpkin spice, and let me just grab the package. So this is what I'm having, keto cream pumpkin spice, and I mixed in just a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream into it. And normally you would have this with coffee, but I'm just having it on its own with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. So it's super cold in the house right now, so I'm going to use this to warm up before I go to sleep. So anyways, I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.